Okay, what we're going to do here for you is a quick little demonstration on how to actually install the quick hitches onto your lift arm. The hitches will come with a white bushing like so, and it basically just lays up on the side of the arm. While it's laying on the side of the arm, take the hitch, slide it over both the arm and that bushing, and then once you do that, you will install your 7/8 pins through both pieces. And with your pins installed on each side, you then just place the cotter pin on the other side and open it up, secure it in place. There's not really too much pressure on that cotter pin, so something small like that generally does the trick. If you have issues with it, you can always replace it with the 1/8" lynch pin type, but we found that we were having trouble with those opening up and causing the whole pin to slide out, and then that was just causing different issues for us. Now once you have that bushing in there, there will be a little bit of movement, but not an excessive amount, so it should keep it pretty steady for you. Now the other option for when you're installing your arm is if you have a spreader bar, which we will do here. And if you have a spreader bar, the bushing is not necessary because the spreader bar will keep the the spreader bar will keep the hitches from moving. You can see without the bushing and no spreader bar, it flops around quite a bit there. But if you have a spreader bar and you run it from one arm over to the other, like so, once it goes through that side, and then once it gets mounted onto the other arm, which I can't move the camera for you, sorry about that, but once it gets moved into the other arm, then the spreader bar, because it runs from one arm over to the other, will keep the hitches erect as well, and you do not need the bushing. Then the spreader bars are adjustable depending on how far apart you need to get them for your particular implement. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to call me or send me an email. Thank you.